I'm really enjoying doing these voiceover videographic bits. The video is just to keep you listening while I ramble on about common afflictions of the internet and the peculiar realities of this platform and the mismatch of professionals and amateurs. You have to find it hilarious dealing with the gatekeepers, the ones who show up in the threads with laundry lists of credentials, ready to declare themselves the authority on everything, including you. Click their profile and it's mostly dog pics and vacation selfies, yet the moment they land in your comments, suddenly they know it all. Well, now, this characterization of the gatekeeper is a double-edged sword. We can also use it as haters be haters, a soft block, used as often by the creator to protect their ego and diminish the gatekeeper's response. It diminishes their importance, sure, but understanding the dynamic teaches you how to read the room, separate noise from influence, and avoid getting tangled in that performance. I rarely bring credentials because of that very thing, because credentials are meaningless if the person waving them around isn't worth the paper the diploma was printed on. And in that case, you might as well roll it up and smoke it. Those people also can't read the room. And on social media, that's fatal. If you can't communicate in a way the audience actually hears, the message goes nowhere, degree or no degree. Everything you know either came from you being told, reading a book, or someone insisting there was only one correct method. And this is the one that is the most common one taken to get their credential or diploma. But they forget the origins of knowledge. Experimentation. Blow something up just to see what it can withstand, push a motor beyond specs, use equipment in a way engineers would never approve. That's where understanding comes from. That's how technology actually moves forward. So although VFDs were originally designed for three-phase input and can accept single-phase power by derating the product capability, experimentation and industry adapted to have led to VFDs now being designed to accommodate single-phase input. Those pushing the limits early on were the ones improving the industry. Sure, physics and math have rules and truth is truth, but experiment often doesn't care about the spec sheet. Following the proper procedures often just lead to premature replacement, and real-world testing tells the truth every time. Ask any mechanic who deals with the aftermath of engineering decisions made by white shirts. Somewhere along the line, someone designed that machine saying, better make it a little stiffer in case some crazy person tries something unexpected. That common practice, over-engineering, is a quiet tradition, paired with cross your fingers, hope that it survives what the real world throws at it. But instead, imagine an individual with a unique kind of neurodivergence, someone who can see patterns others miss, who knows exactly when his knowledge might actually improve the condition of people being misled or betrayed out there. I'll tell you firsthand, this is a difficult platform. Its use meaningful. Some people take this far too seriously, announcing that they're fighting misinformation like they've been knighted for it. They'll all drag you off topic and constant goalposts moving, but they're easy to spot. And as much as we dunk on them, they serve a purpose. They reflect the very system that produced them. They project the same credential-obsessed metrics onto whether you want it or not. And my guess, in public, most of them are decent enough people. But here's the rub. The internet isn't real. These avatars, characters, polished icons, none of it is real in the way that really matters. And so as much as I enjoy doing these voiceovers, there's no moral to the story, just a reflection of my reality.